Hello everyone. I wanted to give you this quick video to show you how to log into Planbook as well as to navigate just a few things that are in there. Please keep in mind that Planbook is only for your grades and for, depending on what course you're taking, for you um, to kind of look over the lesson plan as well as to watch videos that have been assigned to you according to whatever course you're taking. So what you're going to do is you're not going to click the sign up button because your account has already been created. So you will not create a new account. What you will do is use the login information that was emailed to you. And I made um, a little test student to use to show you how to log in. You're going to start on the first line. You're going to use your email. The next line will be whatever course you have been assigned to, and that information will also have been emailed to you. So for instance, if you're in phlebotomy, it'll be CPT, then the next information or the next numbers will be the date that your class starts. So if you started on April the 11th, 2022, your key would be CPT 041122. So just depends on whatever course you were assigned to. Then you'll click login. Once you get into the application, you'll always have a student announcement that'll pop up. Most of the time it's generic just to give you some basic information, but please pay attention to it because sometimes we will put announcements just reminding you of school closing dates and other information that apply to all students across the board that are a part of different classes. It won't be specific to your class. You can click the X to get out of that. Up in the top corner here, there are different things that you can see. This takes it to full screen. This is just comments, but the little A plus is where you will find your grades. So you'll click on that letter. Of course, I don't have anything because I haven't completed anything, but right here is where you would find your overall grade. And also it'll be broken down into the specific grades per lesson. Like for instance, if you took exam 1, it'll show you um, the exam grade by itself. Um, This is where it'll show you your grades. If you click on the course, you see how it has the grades broken down. Exam 1, and over here it'll have a grade. The percentage is your grade. So it'll be 97%, 98%, 100%, whatever your grade is. It's all broken down. Each thing that you're assigned will be broken down. For people that are in the CNA classes, we put an assignment up so when you watch these videos or you complete the skill in the lab, then we give you a grade for completing that lab. And it also shows you the percentage, like assignments are 10% of your grade. And so that's just a little information showing you how to get around in Planbook. If you click on Return to Plans, it'll get you back to the lesson. The yellow up here shows you what day we're working on. So for instance, today would be April the 27th, 2022. If you're in the CNA class, and there are some other classes that may have videos, the assignments, you'll see there'll be links. For instance, if you click on foot care, it'll take you to here where you can click on the little blue hyperlink to get to the video. It'll take you to Hartman videos where you put in the school code. Our school code is GTC 901. Once you click in there, it'll take you to all of the videos that Hartman has, especially for the CNA. No, I don't think there are any other courses that will have that, but the CNA, all of your videos are here because we want you to be able to watch those. And they are pretty much how the state would have you to do the videos, but always follow what your instructor tells you in class. If you click on one of the videos, for instance, it'll take you directly into the video that you need to watch. You can click the X at the top to get out of there, to go back to the lesson plan. That is basically what Planbook allows you to do. There will be a separate video for you for Talent LMS showing you how to navigate around there. If you need to log out, you go to the top right corner, you'll click on your name, and you'll click Sign Out. And that is a basic tutorial for Planbook on how to navigate, how to log in, and how to navigate around. Please let us know if you have any questions or issues, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for choosing Georgia Training Center.